Hey pros, Crystal here from Elite Hair Care USA. So we're working with my client here who has some congestion going on her scalp. So today was the perfect day for us to do a Soothe and Balance pre-treatment before we did her actual wash day. Now she is texturized. She comes in for her soak press every couple weeks. But today we just kind of noticed that her scalp had a lot of buildup on it. So I'm going to show you guys how to properly use the Soothe and Balance pre-treatment. Now, first things first, if you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and don't forget to thumbs up this video. So what I'm doing is applying the Soothe and Balance pre-treatment in between the partings of her scalp. Also, I'm making sure to be very specific where I place it. You don't want to just rub it on the hair. This is a scalp treatment, so I did make sure to put it in the areas where I know she had that buildup when I was doing the examination of her scalp. Now, this little tool that you see me using, that is our scalp agitator. This comes along with the Soothe and Balance pre-treatment. It also helps to distribute the product, but I still have to go in and utilize my comb and just kind of lift up a lot of that buildup that is on the scalp. Now, I'm not using the teeth of the comb to rake through the scalp. I'm merely using my comb to lift up any buildup that was there when I did my pre-examination. This is also a technique that you want to do at home if you have issues with like dandruff or anything of that nature. Just doing the pre-treatment and using your comb to lift up any buildup is definitely going to make your job a lot easier, and it will make that buildup rinse right out of the hair. Now, the Soothe and Balance pre-treatment also soothes the scalp. At the same time, it also contains a lot of zinc, which is great for those of you that are dealing with stagnated hair growth. And it is going to help cleanse the hair and the scalp, just as though the clarifying shampoo would be doing. So this kind of allows you to kind of skip over the clarifying shampoo whenever necessary. And it also gives you that nice cooling sensation. It's very soothing on the actual scalp, hence the reason why we call it Soothe and Balance. Now, after we finish lifting up any buildup or congestion that she has on the scalp, I'm using warm water as I would do with any other shampoo, and I'm rinsing out her hair thoroughly. The good thing about the Soothe and Balance is that even though it has that soothing feeling where most of them have that minty feel, this actual product does not dry the hair out. It actually leaves the hair feeling nice and moist. It leaves the scalp feeling nice and clean, but at the same time, soothing. And I think I've said soothing like 12 times already, but you get the picture. So what I'm doing is just making sure that I'm rinsing her out thoroughly so that I can prepare her for her treatment shampoo. You do want to make sure not to leave any of the Soothe and Balance in the hair. It is considered a treatment, but it also has shampoo properties as well. Now, for her treatment shampoo, I am using the Moist Repair sulfate-free shampoo, which is exactly what you guys saw me apply. I actually use the 16-ounce bottle because I'm a stylist. I go through a lot of product. And then I'm using the scalp agitator again just to go through and get any residual buildup that might have been on the scalp, which I don't think there was any. But this also helps with detangling the hair during the shampoo process. So you can utilize that tool throughout the shampoo process, you guys. It's really, really good for the hair and the scalp, and it helps to get that blood flowing. Now, once again, I am rinsing out her shampoo thoroughly. I'm not leaving any shampoo behind. I want you guys to get out of that mindset of leaving shampoo behind in your hair. It is not going to do you any justice. So just make sure to rinse your hair really, really good so that when it's time for the conditioner, a lot of that, all of that conditioner can really get into the hair and it's not drying the hair out even more. Now, for her conditioning treatment, we are using the Moist Me 24 karat mask. And I'm just applying it to her hair itself and not necessarily the scalp, you guys. Conditioner should actually go on the hair, okay? Now, when you apply the Moist Me 24 karat mask, you will put a process. Hey guys, just wanted to jump in before we get to the meat and potatoes of this video and just let you guys know that this coming April 18th, 2022 through April 20th, 2022 is our 3-day Elite 3-year anniversary extravaganza and customer appreciation sale. Now, what does that entail? April 18th, which is this coming Monday, right after Easter, is our free exclusive serum day. This is a serum that you will not see on our website that is great for moisture. Restoration is very lightweight. You'll get one free serum with every order. Tuesday is going to be free ebook and free shipping day in the continental US. So that means that you can get as many of our ebooks as you choose, and also free shipping as long as you're based in the USA. And then of course for 2022 is our 3-year anniversary sale. That is going to be an amazing sale because everything is buy one get one free, excluding bundle kits. No code is needed, nothing. So I'm gonna let you guys go ahead and get back to the video. Pressing cap on and go under the dryer for at least 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, so now she's fully rinsed out. I was just going through and just doing another inspection to ensure that her scalp was clean, which it was. And then I sprayed her down with a little bit of our Hydra Strength leave-in conditioner. It also has detangling properties, so I love to use that for my clients who I know their curl pattern, like for her curl pattern is extremely tight. So with us doing the texturizer, it really just kind of loosened her hair up, because her comb through and her comb out or detangle was serious, you guys. But now it's really, really simple. And when she goes under the dryer, she will air dry, as I always do, at least 60% of the way. And then from there, we will blow her out and get her prepared for styling. Now, if I haven't said this already, you guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also share this video with your family and friends. This particular video is definitely beneficial for anyone dealing with any form of scalp issues. That is really a big problem in today's world. So definitely share this video with them. And then if you're new to shopping with Elite Hair Care USA, use code YouTube20 and you'll save 20% off your purchase. Now, I did apply a little bit of the Elite Silk Wrap Foam to her hairline just to kind of help smooth that hairline out. I did state before she has a texturizer, but her hair has already started to grow out. So I like to use that Elite Silk Wrap Foam just to kind of have an added insurance of layage. I kind of made that word up, but okay. All right, so we're doing some loose curls on her. She is actually going to get wrapped after this. So I just used the Babyliss Prima 3000 to create those loose barrel curls. And then from there, we're going to use the processing cap method. I kind of have gotten away completely from the saran wrap method. It just makes the hair way too flat for my liking. And my clients like volume and movement and body. So the processing cap method works really, really well. It's really quick as well, so they don't have to go under the dryer again. And then I'm able to get them in and out, and those curls are nice and relaxed at the end of the day. Lastly, I forgot to mention, for those of you that don't know how to care for curls after the fact, I did do a video earlier today where we talked about heat protectant. If you watch that video, you will see a demonstration of how to do pin curls so that your curls will last throughout the week. Okay, so you guys go ahead, check that video out. That's definitely an important video, not because it's just talking about how to care for your curls, but because it is also talking about heat protectant and how to protect your hair before you get heat damage, and then also what to do after if you ever have heat damage. So now we're done with all her curling. I put a little bit of the Frizz Tamer and Shine Serum in my hands and applied it to her hair. It was a very, very small amount, like a pea size in quantity, I guess. But I'm going to go ahead and wrap her now. So I'm just going to give her a quick wrap. This is not something that was like some type of special wrap, you guys. It's just a typical wrap. So nothing fancy. And then you'll put a processing cap, which is just a plastic cap on the head. And then you'll use the diffuser portion of the blow dryer just to kind of speed up the process. I always go under the cap just to kind of add that heat inside. And then I'll go around her head with my diffuser. This relaxes the curls, but it also still gives her that nice shape. And it doesn't take away all of the curl, which is exactly what we want. So now when we comb her out, she still has that density. She has that volume going on, but it's not as tight as when we first started and we were doing the curls. Okay, so this is definitely a technique you guys can use at home if you like to do your tight curls and you want your hair to kind of relax slightly, but still have an amazing amount of density or volume and great shape. So if you guys can comment down below, tell us what you thought about this amazing style, and also tell us if you used the processing cap method and how you liked it. I used a little bit of hairspray just to kind of seal the deal on her hairline rather than using the Elite Control Edge Control. Other than that, guys, we are all done. I hope you enjoyed the video. Peace.